Okay, so in last video we discussed about Numpy library basics, and in this video we will discuss the functions that we will use in Numpy library. So first of all, I installed the Numpy library as previously Numpy was deleted, and when I execute this code Python. Okay, so array np, we use this method to create a one-dimensional array as we discussed in the last section, and we initialize two-dimensional array in this way. So basically the np is the short form of numpy, so this is the just short form we use this, and dot array mean to convert the simple array into numpy array. Then we just printed the array. First we take this first one and the first index. So what will be the first array is that 0 1. This one will be the first index, and then we use one index 0 1, then 7 will be printed here same as it is. So next we initialize three-dimensional list 1 2 3. This will be the same as we use this one, and in this array we initialize three-dimensional array and we use 1 2 3 positions. Like each array is an object, so we have to access a specific object by passing the indexes in the arrays. So we use this method to access the three-dimensional array specific value. Like I will print here, what will be the printed value will be 1, this one. So in this way we get the values of three-dimensional arrays that we have in a simple Python. But now we are going to use numpy array that will reduce this efficiency, like running speed. And here will be the np dot array 1 2 3 4 three-dimensional array. We pass this into numpy array, then we use this single array integer, but this contains the all objects values in a single continuous memory. So we use single indexing array to access the objects, every object. First index contain the outer one array, then second one will be the inner one, and then third one will be the last one that we want to get the number, and so on. How many dimensions of the array we have, then we use comma separated values for that array, specific arrays. So in this array we use 0 to get the first array, this one, then we use 1 to get this one, and then we use -1 to get the last value, that will be 6. So if I will print this will print accessing last element of second row of the first array. So this will print last one. Then this was just the creating array in numpy. Then we will understand the slicing method. We have numpy array here. As simple we use in Python arrays to get the slicing values, we use same here. 0 5 means 0 to 5, 4 digit will be printed. Then 0 5, skipping 5 element in each step, like 0 1 2 3 4 5, this one will be printed. So 5 values will be skipping, so this means same as we skip 5 values, then next one, skip 5 values, then next one. So in a sequence, skipping 5 values, this will be printed. So what this will print every second value. taking every second value. 0, 1, 2, 1 will be skipping, so 3, 4. In this way second value will be skipped. So next 1, 5, 2. What does mean? Taking every second element between index 1 and 5. So this means to take every second element between index 1 and 5. Like we first slice the value, then we set a rule to get the value, specific value. Like suppose we want to get values from 3 to 4 5. First two will be assigning this one, slicing 3 to 5. Then next we use to get the order, in which order we want to take, like by skipping the second element or by skipping third or so on, which one we want to get. Like we want to get primary number, then we can use that one here. So if I will print here, we will get in first 1 to 5, 0 to 5. We get here 5 values. Then we will get 2 values, 1, 6, as we skip 5 digits. Then we will get 4 values, 0 to 4, 2 mean skip second element, 1, 3, 5, 7. In this way we will get the odd numbers. Then we will use slicing and then defining the order, like to get the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will use this method, and we can only use this method like to get the odd numbers, and this use even numbers. But this we use just in slicing. First we slices, but we can do here like this one, skipping the 3 digits. Then what will be the output? 1, 4, 7. This will skip 3 digits. If I will skip 1 digit, what will be the output? No, same as it is will be printed. So in this way we will get the values. And if I will start from 1 and the order will be 2, what will be the output? 2, 4, 6. This will print even numbers as we started from 1, and this will print odd values. So this way we can get the values even or odd, or we can slice the values. Okay, so next will be slicing 2D arrays. First, in this way we use how to slice one-dimensional array. Then here we will slice two-dimensional array, same as it is as we get the first index value, that will be this one, and then we slice this 1 to 4. The output will be printed from this array. Then we use slicing in first array, 0 to 0 mean 0 to what will be the output? Will be getting the third column from the both rows. This will get up the third column of both rows to index 0 2. This mean 0 से 1 तक, mean 0 1, both will be included, and the index of both will be 2. Like the position that will be in these two arrays, this one will be that, like 3 values. And here we will use slicing on both arrays, getting sub array from both rows. So we will get in this way. So if I will execute the code, output will be slicing print slicing two-dimensional array. Here will be slicing two-dimensional array. In first we get 1 to 4, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Then we get slicing 0, 2. It means 1, 0, 1. Both will be included. So both mean both arrays and then their index. So that 3, 8. So at 2 index, the values of 0 index and the values of 1 index. So this will get the two value. Like this will return two values 0, 1, as we are slicing two indexes. So this will return two indexes, and this one denote the position of the value of that specific points. So next, this will slice first one and this will slice second one. And if we use here 1, then we will get here two values of these one. So if I will print here, the output will be 2, 7 at first index, 2, first index 7. So in this way we will get the specific one digit from both arrays. As if we have multiple arrays, we can use slicing for them. Like suppose if we have one more array here, and then we can assign this 3, then we will get the first digit of all 3 arrays. So in this way we will get the specific digit of all the arrays. Okay, next, how to check the type of an array. So in this way we will get the type of array, D type. We will print the type will be U6, that is Numpy type. Next, Numpy array, we use here D type. So what this mean is to assigning a specific type of array to Numpy. Like suppose we have this array and we assign this as a string, then this will be as a string type array. So if I will execute this one, this will print as string 1. S1 mean this type of the array, S string type. So this array is string type, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these digit converted into string. So in this way we can convert the integer array into string to pass the Numpy to use in future as a array or as a string values. Then we assign I4. What this mean? To 4-byte integers. Like if we want to assign 4-byte values, then we can use this D type I4 integer to assign the 4 type of data types. Okay, these will be just a basic thing we mostly use, the assigning, slicing, or the next functions that are important we will use in training the model. So right now just understand about these. So as type, this will convert the values into integer. Like suppose we have floating values here, then we use as type function, I mean to integer. So this will convert this array into integer values, and here will be printed new array, integer type. So this converted into integer instead of float values. Copy as view example. If we want to copy the array, do not like change with the existing, then we can do this using copy method. This will copy the actual array into X, and then we can pass out the values into array. And if we will print out this one, we can see that the value pass out to this is not updated in X. So it means when we copy the value, this totally copied to the new variable, that is X. So when I will change the first array, this will not affect on the new one that we created using copy method. So in this way we can totally copy and do anything in a copy mode without changing the existing one. So if we want to get the view of the array, so in the view method what we will see here is that if we change in the existing array, that change will affect in a new variable also, as we are using view method. So view will just view the actual array, do not copy the array, just the view, as whenever the actual array will be updated, the view method will also update the X value. So these are the two methods to get the duplicate of array, duplicate of numpy array. So here we simply take the shape of the array. If I will execute, I see the shape of array is 2 5. It means outer is 2, then inner one all digits are 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we will check the shape using this method, array.shape. Creating array with specific dimensions. So if we have single array and we want to convert into multiple dimensions, 3 dimensions, 4 5, whatever we have to get, whatever we want, so we will use n dimension by just with a colon. So if I will execute this one, so this will convert the array into 5 dimensions, and if I will check the shape, that will be 1 2 3 4 5. So at 5 position all are 4 values. So in this way we will take the dimensions of array whatever we want. Then next step is to reshape the numpy array. So here if we have array, if we want to reshape this one, then we use simply reshape method. What this mean is to convert this single dimension array into over required dimensions, whatever we want, like 4 3. What this mean, this will convert into 4 3 dimensions of array, like outer will be 1 2 3 4, and next inner will be 1 2 3. So this will convert 4 3 dimension. We have to specify the exact values, like if I will run this one, that will raise an error. What will be the error? Value error, can't reshape array of size 12 into shape 5 3. So we must use the exact shape that will fulfill the requirement, like we want to get 5 3, that is not fulfilling the requirement. If we will use 5 1 2 3 4 5, no, if we will use 3 3 3, this will get into 4. So we used 4 3, that will be the correct syntax, and if we use 3 3, that will again wrong, value error. So we have to use the exact value in which we can get. And if suppose I will use 2 and 2 dimension, then again value error. So if I will use here 3, What will be the output? Very well. So tell me what will be the next possible reshape points using this array. What are the possible array next reshaping values? Anyone?
Three, three,
What?
three, three.
3 3. Okay, so 3 3 will be wrong. No. 1 2 3 3. So how many? 4's 3. Not will be 3 3. Okay, so 4 3. This will correct. Then what will be next? If we will use 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. No. 6 6 2. If we will use this one, then we get, understand, 6 2. How we
Yes.
get this? We get the position like 1 2 3 4 5 6. We get 6 value pairs of two values. If I will add one more value, then this will raise an error, value error, cannot reshape array of size 13. So we have to understand the size of the array, so we can check the length using dot length method, as we already know about that, and then we can understand the possible pairs of that multiplications. 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 digits. So how many digits we have? So we just have to get here multiplication. 6 multiplied by 2 and 4 multiplied by 3. We have 12. So we have to get the values that equal to the length of this array. So in this way we will get the reshaping pair. Okay, next one is 1 2 3 4 4 dimension array. Simple as we printed the shape of this one, 4 3. Okay, next one, dimensions. Check if reshape array is a view or a copy. So this one is simple as to check the shape of the array, as we already know about copy and view. So just to verify the status of the variable value that we have array, numpy array, we use base. If we will see the base that will checking if reshape array is a view or copy. So this will print as same as this one. If I will not use this one, then this will reshape into 2 1 2 2 points. So base converted into single, as this one is the parent value, not the copy. 2 4 dot base, same as the base value. Reshaping with -1 automatically calculate dimensions. So here what will be the advantage of -1? We use here two dimensions, 1 2. First outer will be 2, then next outer will be 2, and then how many remainings will be placed at the end. Suppose these are 2 2, like 1 1 2, we use these two, and then we again used 1 2 1 2, and next what will be the remaining will be printed. So if I will execute, we will get this array. suppose we have two more values. What will be the output? Erasing error. So this will be wrong. So we have to multiply 2 to 4, then 4 multiply by 1, that will incorrect. We have to multiply 4 with a value that will equal to this one. So we have to check the length, array dot length. What is the exact syntax to write length function?
len भी यूज होता है.
No. In numpy array there are different methods. We have to take the length of the array. Suppose we have simple array. We have simple array. We use this one is this one is correct syntax. No, shape error, remove this one. Then we get the 9 values. We have these 9, so 4 will not multiply with any exact number that will fulfill the requirement. So we have 9 values. If we have 10 values, then again 4 multiply by, and any value will not be the 10 value. If we have 11 values, then again incorrect. If we have 12 values, that will be correct. 4 multiply by 3 will be the exact answer. So if we copy this here and execute, this will be printed out. So 4 or all the remaining will be in inner side. So this we use municipal. I think you understand. We just have to check the length of this one. No, we can check the length array. We can check the length here. 12. So 12 is correct multiplication of 4. So what will be the next possible combination? Try yourself. Next possible combination 12. What are the
एक बार
what?
रिपीट करते हैं.
Okay, we have length of this one is 12. What are the multiples of 12? Like we have currently 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply all remaining minus 1, all the remaining. So remaining will be 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, so what next will be the possible multiplication that will return us 12?
नहीं माइनस वन और ये थ्री जो आपने लिखा इसकी नहीं समझ आ रही.
Okay, 6 multiplied to what will be the output? 12.
12.
12. So these are the possible multiplication that we will get 12 values. If we multiply 4 3, that will be the output. 4 3 12.
12.
Okay, 3 multiply 3 equal
9.
and equal 6 multiply 2 equal 12. So these are the combinations multiplication that we will get 12 value. So in this way we can assign the shape. So these are just the shapes like 3 3 2. If I will write here 3 3, remaining will be automatically 2. So if I will comment here, print out is the value error because तीन length
3 3 is 9.
oh 3, that will not be the correct. 9 multiplied by 1 or 2, that will not equal to 12. So we cannot get this one. We can just add, but that will be not correct. So 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, then multiply by 2, that will correct. So if I will write down 3 2 minus 1, then we will get 1 2 3 and 1 2 1 2. We get there. I hope you understand about this and what are the
3 2
possibilities.
का तो हो गया, लेकिन जो माइनस वन है उसका नहीं समझ आ रहा.
Okay, so suppose we use this one 3 multiplied by 2, that will be 6, then we use 2. Okay, 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12, output will be this one. So if I will use here 3, that will be incorrect. So minus 1 will just get the last possible combination, that is exact like suppose 6, what will be the next possible will be digit? 2. 6 multiplied by 2 will be 12. So 2 will be automatically counted here instead of minus 1. So we use this minus 1 to get the auto possible last digits that will be perfect for this combination. Suppose we use here 2 multiplied by 2, what will be the value? 4. The next what possible combination will be here? If we check, we get okay, here we get the possible combination is 2, first one, second, third. This will be the outer, then we use 2 to get the two inner arrays, and then again 2 digits in each inner array. So that will be the this one. So if I use 2 2, what will be the inner digits in the inner array? So this one automatically counted 3. So in simple, we use minus 1 at the end to automatically check how many digits are left what will be the possible combination that is remaining to that we will multiply symbol. We use 2 to 3 will be automatically counted and placed in everywhere. 6 to there we cannot use -1. 6 to -1 if we will use here, this will be correct. Why? Because this automatically count and here automatic is 0, so 0 will be nothing else. So 6 mean we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 arrays and then 2 in each one, and 1 will be the index, so this count one digit for automatically. And if I will use here 2, that will be incorrect, that will erase an error. So just 6 multiplied by 2 12, and 12 multiplied by 2, that will be incorrect. So automatically 1 is default and -1 count the remaining value. Understand?
जी.
Okay, so suppose one more example we will do here. We have 13 14 15 16 values. We have to print out 16. What will be the possible combination?
4 4 if -1 is default.
Great, I think you understand about this. Wonderful. So what will be the next one? In this way I realize that you do not understand, and I think we have to do one more example, and right now I realize you understand. This one is the good approach to understand. So next one, we have two arrays and we use reshape -1. What this mean is to default flat the array. Flat mean to convert into single array. No matter how many dimensions of the array we get in a flat in single array. So in this way we can convert the any array, 3 dimension, 4 dimensions, whatever we have, we can get in a single dimension array. So this one will be reshaping into -1, then iterating through arrays. So we can iterate on arrays same as we iterate on the simple arrays. So here we have 2 arrays and we get here, and if we will use the inner loop, then we can get the next values. So in this way we get the 2 arrays that we have in the outer array. So काफ़ी है इतना.
हाँ जी सर.